How to set different languages for different apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make individual apps use a language different from your system default. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap General Management. After that, tap Language. At this point, scroll down and tap App Languages. From here, you'll see a list of every app on your device that supports custom language settings. Following this, tap on the app you want to change. After that, you'll see a list of languages that app supports. Tap on whichever one you want it to use instead of your system default. From here, the app will immediately switch to that language the next time you open it, without affecting any other app on your device. Finally, repeat the same steps for any other app you want set to a different language, going through each one individually since this setting is applied per app rather than all at once. That's how you set different languages for different apps on Android. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!